What if nearly everything you've heard about the keto diet is missing the bigger picture? It's been accused of being unhealthy or lacking nutrients, but research from a nutrients review is painting a completely different story. Stick around because these discoveries might just reshape how you see food. One of the biggest criticisms of a low-carb, high-fat ketogenic diet is that it can't provide enough vitamins, minerals, or fiber. Critics argue you're effectively starving your system of essential nutrients. But is that really the case? According to a comprehensive review in the journal Nutrients, keto doesn't have to be all bacon and cheese. By choosing leafy greens, broccoli, avocados, nuts, and seeds, you can get plenty of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without blowing your carb limit. These foods also support a healthier gut microbiome by boosting beneficial bacteria like Bacteroidetes. Many studies show that a well-formulated keto diet can help you drop body fat, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce hunger. For people battling obesity, type 2 diabetes, or metabolic syndrome, these improvements can be game changers. When planned thoughtfully, keto can lower triglycerides, raise HDL, good cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. It's all about focusing on high-quality fats and nutrient-packed foods, rather than stuffing yourself with processed items. Emerging evidence suggests that limiting glucose might starve certain cancer cells, potentially making keto a helpful sidekick to traditional treatments. It's not a magic bullet, but the findings are promising enough to warrant more clinical trials. Here's the good news. If you're already eating a diverse, nutrient-rich keto diet, think spinach, nuts, seeds, and berries, you may not need supplementation. But for those with busy lifestyles or limited meal options, a high-quality multivitamin can be a great safety net. Take a look at the link in the description for our recommendation on a keto-friendly multivitamin and why we think it's the best option on the market. It's formulated to fill in possible nutritional gaps without adding sugars or unwanted carbs. Want to succeed on keto? Here are 3 quick tips. First, focus on whole foods. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower keep your fiber intake up and support gut health. Second, balance your plate. Combine healthy fats like avocados and nuts with moderate protein, such as eggs or salmon, for optimal nutrition. And third, dive into the science. A 2021 study in Nutrients highlights keto's benefits, from blood sugar control to gut health and even epigenetics. Stick to these tips and you'll maximize the benefits of your ketogenic lifestyle. So, is the keto diet unhealthy? If you're picking processed foods, sure, it's easy to go wrong. But when done the right way, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense ingredients, the science points towards significant health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone curious about keto. And if you've tried keto, let me know how it went for you in the comments. Did you feel healthier, and did you use any supplements? I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget, check the description for the link to our recommended keto-friendly multivitamin, along with the nutrients study. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.